Hi, I'm Alejandro Hoyos, and today we are here at CES in Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we're going to be taking a close look at a pretty cool AI application. And with us today we have Joe. Hey Joe, how's it going?
Thank you, Alejandro.
Thanks, man. Okay, so what do we have here?
Today we're showcasing Distinct AI Vision FX plugin. This is for popular photo apps such as Photoshop, Corel, Affinity. We're showcasing this on the latest Dell Pro Premium device powered by Lunar Lake. This plugin can take your seed image, it can use positive and negative prompts, set different strengths so you can have something very close to your original image or something very far apart. With just a button click here, this is a photo here that we have of a pet dog here. We're gonna click generate, and on the Intel graphics here for Lunar Lake, the Intel Arc 140V, you can see it quickly just create a photo here, and then you can see the before, that's our original image, and now we have a nice representative oil painting impressionist style that we put in there for the prompt. It's going to create 5 different options. You can find the one you like. You can even regenerate the images if you didn't quite prefer these. And at the very end, you can save your favorite option directly to Photoshop.
That's great. So this is like when you're taking a picture, your own picture,
Correct.
and you want to make any changes and stuff. So this is like a tool to help you to do all these different changes. Like, yeah, I want an impressionist of my dog. So this is what we can do. And then what will be the next step? So you can bring it back to the tools that we're using to do the editing. Like
100%. You can bring this right back into Photoshop, continue editing, tweak it, change a couple things that maybe you didn't like about the original image, and then you can totally just save that off, and that will be yours now.
That's awesome. And this is using which type of accelerator for?
This is using the GPU, the Intel Arc graphics, accelerated through OpenVINO.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Joe, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.